Greetings everyone. So in this box, I have a laptop stand that was sent to me to review and demonstrate to you to see what it's all about. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to go to the opening and unboxing like they usually call it. If you use your laptop on a bed, for instance, or do you use it in your living room, on your couch, or maybe somewhere else soft, then you really need to have your laptop in breathing room mode. It needs to be able to breathe. That's what I'm saying. Because if you have your laptop stationed up on your bed, most laptops, well, some laptops, I'm going to say, have vents under the bottom. So when you put it on a soft surface, it blocks those vents. And now the laptop is starving. It's starving for fresh air. It's trying to breathe, and you have the air trapped in the case itself. So now it's like a sauna inside the case, which is going to reduce the life of the laptop. All right. So over time, that heat is just going to keep on damaging the precious electronics that's inside of there. All right. So you don't want to do that. So if you're going to use it on soft surface like that, you need a laptop stand. And even if your laptop don't have vents at the bottom, you still need to elevate it because it usually heats up at the bottom of the laptop. I know mine does. It always does, but being raised up, it can disperse that heat somehow, all right? It cannot get hotter, so that'll help it. So that's why you need a laptop stand. Now, in this box right here, I have a laptop stand that was sent to me by a company, go by the name of Orlian. Orlian, that's the name on the screen right there that you just saw. So, this laptop stand is supposed to be adjustable. That means you can elevate it to a certain angle. That's what it claimed. That's what I saw in the picture before it was sent to me. So we're going to find out if it lives up to the standard, or the features, I should say, that it's supposed to do. But first, let's get into this box by opening it up. Nice little packaging. All right, so you got some styrofoam going on and nice little wrapping. I like to see this type of wrapping right here. It just tells me that they put a little extra care in making sure the product doesn't get damaged. So we're gonna pull this out. So there we go. That's what we're working with so far. Pull this off, here, there. Put that to the side. So let's pull this out. And I like this color. Yes, I do. It's all black. So there it is. All right. So that's what we're looking at. It's metal, top and bottom. All right. And then you got some hinges, all metal. On the bottom, you got rubber feet. All right. I mean, this thing look like it's high quality from what I'm looking at. So let's flip it back over. And then we can do some adjustment. So you have to put a little force in it there. But there you go. That's one adjustment. But you can also adjust it some more. Like this. And then like this. Let me get my laptop and see what it looks like with the laptop sitting on top. Okay, so now that I got my laptop in my hand right here, now it's time to see if it can hold this laptop right here. This is a 16-inch Apple laptop. Open it up. Stays on there, no problem. Rotate it in different directions so you can see. It stays. The fact that it takes a little effort, a little strength, a little elbow grease to even lift the separation between the top and the base itself, these hinges are real tight. Meaning that when you put your laptop on there, this thing is not just going to sink down because it takes a little effort to even raise it up and the same effort to even put it back down. So you can get it in that position. I wouldn't go too far back. You don't want the laptop to tilt over. So get it at a nice height that you can handle but not too far. I don't want to test it because, like I said, it might tilt back. So let me show you different angles of the laptop while it's sitting on the stand, and you can see how it looks. So that black frame goes perfectly with my space gray MacBook Pro. So it's a perfect color match. As you can see from different angles from what I'm showing you what it looks like, it's just beautiful. Sits on there perfectly. Now, like I said, it's made out of all metal, so it's sturdy. And it's not something that's flimsy and going to fall apart easily. So it should last a long time. Okay, so as you can see, the stand works pretty good. Even though I put it on different surfaces, still works for me. No problem with it, all right? So if you're looking for a laptop stand, just like the one I demonstrated in this video, this is what you need to pick up, all right? Link is in the description if you like it, all right? But I don't recommend things that I don't personally use myself. I always do. And this stand is good. It's perfect because I've been looking for a laptop stand, and lo and behold, I got contacted. It's like somebody heard me mentally because it's not like I was shouting it out, but here it comes. Contact me, ask me if I want to demonstrate this stand, review it, and put it through its test and see if I like it. And I'm telling you, it's good for me because I do use my laptop on my bed and this works perfectly. So I'm good to go. Not a problem with it. If you want it, link in the description. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one until we meet next time.